Introduction to Informatica Data Quality. Informatica Data Quality (IDQ) is a comprehensive data quality solution offered by Informatica Corporation. It's designed to help organizations profile, cleanse, and monitor data to ensure it is accurate, consistent, and reliable. Here are key aspects and functionalities of Informatica Data Quality. Data profiling. IDQ allows users to profile data sources to understand the quality of the data, identify anomalies, and assess data completeness. Data standardization and cleansing. It provides capabilities to standardize data formats, like addresses or phone numbers, and cleanse data by correcting errors, removing duplicates, and enriching data where necessary. Data quality monitoring. IDQ includes features for ongoing monitoring of data quality metrics and trends, alerting users to issues or deviations from defined quality standards. Data matching and deduplication. It enables matching and deduplication of records across data sets, ensuring data consistency and eliminating redundancies. Integration and connectivity. IDQ integrates with various data sources and systems, including databases, data warehouse, and big data platforms, facilitating seamless data quality operations across the enterprise. Data governance and compliance. It supports data governance initiatives by providing visibility into data lineage, metadata management, and compliance with regulatory requirements. Scalability and performance. IDQ is designed to handle large volumes of data and can scale to meet the needs of enterprise data quality management. User-friendly interface. The solution offers an intuitive interface for data analysts, data stewards, and IT professionals to collaborate on improving data quality without extensive coding. Customization and extensibility. IDQ allows customization through rules and workflows tailored to specific business needs, ensuring flexibility in addressing unique data quality challenges. Importance of data quality in modern enterprises. Data quality is crucial for modern enterprises for several key reasons. Decision-making. High-quality data ensures that decisions are based on accurate and reliable information, leading to better strategic and operational decisions. Customer satisfaction. Improved data quality means better understanding of customer needs and preferences, leading to more personalized and targeted marketing and service offerings. Operational efficiency. Clean, consistent, and reliable data reduces errors and redundancies, streamlining processes and improving overall operational efficiency. Compliance and risk management. Reliable data helps organizations comply with regulatory requirements and reduces the risks associated with incorrect or incomplete information. Cost savings. Poor data quality can lead to wasted resources in correcting errors and resolving issues caused by unreliable data. Improving data quality can lead to cost savings over time. Data integration and analytics. High-quality data is essential for effective data integration across systems and platforms, as well as for accurate analytics and reporting. Reputation and trust. Organizations with a reputation for accurate and trustworthy data are more likely to build trust with stakeholders, including customers, partners, and regulators. Innovation and growth. Clean data supports innovation by providing a solid foundation for advanced analytics, AI, and machine learning initiatives that drive business growth. Key features and capabilities of Informatica Data Quality. Informatica Data Quality (IDQ) is a robust tool designed to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of enterprise data. Here are some key features and capabilities of Informatica Data Quality. Data profiling. IDQ provides extensive data profiling capabilities to analyze the structure, content, and quality of data across various sources. This helps in identifying data anomalies, inconsistencies, and issues early on. Data standardization and cleansing. It offers comprehensive data standardization to enforce consistent formats like addresses, names, dates, and data cleansing to correct inaccuracies like misspellings, duplicates within the data. Matching and deduplication. IDQ includes advanced matching algorithms to identify and merge duplicate records across datasets. This ensures a single, accurate view of entities such as customers or products. Data quality rules and monitoring. Users can define and apply data quality rules to ensure compliance with organizational standards and regulatory requirements. The tool also provides monitoring capabilities to track data quality over time. Data enrichment. IDQ allows enrichment of data by integrating external data sources or reference data to enhance the completeness and relevance of information. Data quality dashboards and reporting. It offers interactive dashboards and reporting capabilities to visualize data quality metrics, trends, and issues. This enables stakeholders to make informed decisions based on reliable data. Integration and scalability. IDQ integrates seamlessly with other Informatica products and third-party systems, supporting scalable data quality initiatives across the enterprise. Data governance and stewardship. The tool supports data governance practices by enabling data stewardship workflows, issue management, and collaboration among data stakeholders. Real-time data quality. For critical applications, IDQ can perform real-time data quality checks and corrections to ensure data accuracy at the point of entry or transaction. Metadata management. IDQ includes robust metadata capabilities to capture and manage data quality rules, transformations, and lineage, enhancing transparency and auditability. Data profiling and cleansing with Informatica. Data profiling and cleansing are crucial steps in preparing data for analysis and operational use. Informatica offers robust tools for these tasks through its data quality and data integration products. Here's how Informatica typically handles data profiling and cleansing. Data profiling. Analysis. Informatica Data Quality (IDQ) provides comprehensive analysis capabilities to understand the structure, content, relationships, and quality of data. Statistics. It generates statistics and metrics to assess data quality, including completeness, uniqueness, validity, and consistency. Visualization. Profiling results are often visualized through reports and dashboards, making it easier to identify patterns and anomalies in data. Data cleansing. Standardization. IDQ standardizes data formats and values to ensure consistency across different data sources. Validation. It validates data against predefined rules and policies to ensure compliance and accuracy. Enrichment. It can enrich data by integrating external reference data to enhance its quality and completeness. Workflow integration. IDQ integrates seamlessly with Informatica Power Center and other Informatica products, allowing for automated data cleansing and enrichment workflows. It supports batch and real-time data processing scenarios depending on business requirements. Monitoring and governance. Informatica provides monitoring capabilities to track data quality metrics over time and ensure ongoing data governance. It helps enforce data quality standards and policies across the organization, supporting regulatory compliance and operational excellence. Data enrichment strategies and tools. Strategies. External data sources. Utilize external sources such as third-party data providers, APIs, or public datasets to enrich your existing data with supplementary information like demographics, geographic data, weather data, etc. Data normalization and standardization. Standardize and normalize data formats, units, and representations to ensure consistency and compatibility across different datasets. Textual analysis and natural language processing, NLP. Apply NLP techniques to extract meaningful insights from unstructured text data, such as sentiment analysis, entity recognition, or topic modeling. Cross-referencing and linking. Link related datasets or entities within your data to provide a comprehensive view or relationship mapping, enhancing the context and relevance of the data. Data fusion and aggregation. Combine data from multiple sources or different data types, example structured and unstructured, to create a unified dataset that offers a more comprehensive perspective. Tools. Apache Nutch, an open-source web crawler and data processing tool that can extract and enrich data from web pages. Trifactor, a data wrangling platform that facilitates data preparation and enrichment through visual data profiling, cleaning, and transformation. Tamra uses machine learning and human-guided learning to unify and enrich large-scale datasets from various sources. Informatica Data Quality provides tools for data profiling, cleansing, and enrichment to improve data accuracy and consistency. Alteryx enables data blending, enrichment, and preparation through a visual interface, integrating various data sources for analysis. IBM InfoSphere Information Server offers data integration capabilities along with data quality and enrichment features to improve data governance and analytics. Integrating Informatica data quality into enterprise systems. Integrating Informatica data quality, IDQ, into enterprise systems typically involves several key steps. Assessment and planning. Evaluate your current data quality needs and how IDQ can address them. Plan the integration strategy based on these requirements. Architecture design. Design the architecture for integrating IDQ with your existing enterprise systems. This includes deciding where data quality processes will run, how they will interact with data sources and targets, and what type of integration patterns, batch, real-time, etc., will be used. Data profiling and cleansing. Use IDQ's profiling capabilities to analyze data quality issues within your enterprise data. Develop data cleansing rules and workflows to standardize, validate, and cleanse data as needed. Integration with ETL processes. If you're using Informatica Power Center or other ETL tools, integrate IDQ within these workflows. This ensures that data quality checks and corrections happen as part of the data integration process. Monitoring and reporting. Set up monitoring mechanisms to track data quality metrics and issues over time. IDQ provides reporting capabilities to visualize data quality trends and performance. Governance and compliance. Ensure that data quality rules align with governance policies and regulatory requirements within your organization. IDQ can help enforce these rules across data pipelines. Scalability and performance tuning. Optimize IDQ processes for performance and scalability, especially when dealing with large volumes of data. This may involve tuning jobs, partitioning data, or leveraging clustering capabilities. Training and support. Provide training to users and administrators on using IDQ effectively. Establish support processes to handle issues and enhancements related to data quality. Best practices for implementing Informatica data quality. Implementing Informatica data quality involves several best practices to ensure effective data cleansing, profiling, and overall data quality management. Here are some key best practices. Understand business requirements. Begin by clearly understanding the business requirements and data quality objectives. This ensures that the implementation aligns with the organization's goals. Data profiling. Conduct thorough data profiling to understand the quality of the data. This involves analyzing data completeness, accuracy, consistency, and integrity across different data sources. Data standardization and cleansing. Implement data standardization rules to ensure consistency in data formats and values. Use cleansing transformations to correct or remove inaccurate or incomplete data. Data quality scorecards and dashboards. Create data quality scorecards and dashboards to monitor data quality metrics continuously. This helps in identifying trends and proactively addressing data quality issues. Address data governance. Incorporate data governance principles to establish ownership, accountability, and stewardship for data quality within the organization. Define roles and responsibilities clearly. Data quality rules. Define and implement data quality rules based on business requirements. These rules should cover aspects such as validation, uniqueness, and referential integrity to maintain high data quality standards. Data quality monitoring. Implement automated data quality monitoring processes to detect anomalies and deviations from predefined quality thresholds. This enables timely intervention and corrective actions. Data quality profiling. Use advanced data quality profiling techniques to identify patterns, outliers, and anomalies in data. This helps in understanding data distribution and identifying potential issues. Data quality assurance. Establish a data quality assurance framework that includes regular audits, reviews, and validations to ensure ongoing data quality improvement. Collaboration and training. Foster collaboration between business users, data stewards, and IT teams involved in data quality management. Provide training and support to ensure understanding and adoption of data quality processes and tools. Scalability and performance. Design the Informatica data quality implementation with scalability and performance in mind. Consider factors such as data volume, frequency of data updates, and system resources required for efficient processing. Continuous improvement. Implement a process for continuous improvement of data quality practices. Regularly review and refine data quality rules, processes, and metrics based on feedback and changing business needs. Case studies. Successful implementations of Informatica data quality. Implementing Informatica data quality, IDQ, has led to numerous successful case studies across different industries. Here are a few examples. Financial services. A major bank implemented IDQ to enhance its data quality management across multiple systems and platforms. By standardizing data cleansing rules and implementing real-time monitoring, they achieved higher accuracy in customer data, reduced operational costs, and improved compliance with regulatory requirements. Healthcare. A large healthcare provider used IDQ to improve patient data accuracy and consistency across its electronic health record (EHR) systems. This implementation helped them streamline billing processes, reduce errors in patient records, and ensure compliance with healthcare data regulations such as HIPAA. Retail. A global retail chain utilized IDQ to cleanse and standardize product data from various suppliers. This initiative enabled them to maintain consistent product information across online and offline channels, leading to improved customer satisfaction and increased sales. Telecommunications. A telecommunications company deployed IDQ to enhance the quality of customer data in their CRM systems. By identifying and resolving duplicate entries, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies in customer records, they achieved better customer service delivery and reduced churn rates. Manufacturing. A manufacturing firm leveraged IDQ to clean and integrate data from disparate ERP systems and production databases. This allowed them to gain a unified view of their supply chain operations, optimize inventory management, and improve forecasting accuracy. In each of these cases, the successful implementation of Informatica data quality not only addressed specific data challenges but also contributed to overall business efficiency, compliance, and customer satisfaction. Future directions in data quality management. Future directions in data quality management are evolving rapidly, driven by advancements in technology and shifts in organizational needs. Here are some key trends and directions to consider. AI and machine learning integration. Increasing use of AI and machine learning for automated data quality assessment, anomaly detection, and predictive analytics to preemptively address data quality issues. Real-time data quality monitoring, moving from batch processing to real-time data quality monitoring and management, ensuring data accuracy and consistency as data streams in. Data quality as a service. The CaaS cloud-based solutions offering data quality functionalities as a service, providing scalability, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness for organizations. Blockchain for data integrity. Exploring blockchain technology to enhance data integrity and traceability, ensuring data provenance and immutability. Focus on data governance and compliance. Heightened focus on regulatory compliance, example GDPR, CCPA, and data governance frameworks to ensure data quality standards are met across all data lifecycle stages. Integration with data catalogs and metadata management. Tighter integration with data catalogs and metadata management tools to maintain comprehensive data lineage and improve data quality insights. Self-service data quality tools, empowering business users with self-service data quality tools and dashboards to monitor and improve data quality without heavy reliance on IT. Data quality in big data and IoT, addressing unique challenges in data quality management posed by big data and IoT environments, including large volumes, variety, and velocity of data. Collaboration between data stewards and data scientists, facilitating collaboration between data stewards, who ensure data quality, and data scientists, who derive insights, to optimize data quality processes. Emphasis on cultural change, recognizing data quality as a cultural responsibility within organizations, fostering a mindset where everyone values and contributes to maintaining high-quality data. What is data quality and why does it matter? Data quality refers to the level of accuracy, completeness, consistency, reliability, and relevance of data. It encompasses several dimensions, including accuracy. Data accurately reflects the real-world object or event it represents. Completeness. Data is complete with no missing values or gaps. Consistency. Data is consistent across different sources or over time. Reliability. Data is reliable and trustworthy for its intended use. Relevance. Data is relevant and appropriate for the purpose it is being used for. Data quality matters for several reasons. Better decision-making. High-quality data leads to better informed decisions, as decisions are only as good as the data they are based on. Operational efficiency. Good data quality reduces errors and rework, improving operational efficiency. Trust and credibility. Stakeholders and users trust data that is accurate and reliable, enhancing overall trust in systems and processes. Regulatory compliance. Many regulations, example GDPR, HIPAA, require organizations to maintain accurate and secure data, ensuring compliance with legal requirements. Cost savings. Poor data quality can lead to increased costs due to errors, inefficiencies, and missed opportunities. Customer satisfaction. Data quality impacts customer experiences and satisfaction, especially in personalized services and marketing. What are the common challenges in maintaining data quality? Maintaining data quality can be challenging due to various factors. Here are some common challenges. Incomplete data. Missing values or incomplete records can affect the overall quality and reliability of data. Inaccurate data. Errors in data entry or processing can lead to inaccuracies, making the data unreliable for decision-making. Inconsistent data. Differences in data formats, definitions, or standards across different systems can lead to inconsistencies. Data duplication. Redundant data entries can skew analytics and reporting, leading to incorrect insights. Data integrity issues. Problems with data integrity, such as data corruption or loss during transmission or storage, can compromise data quality. Timeliness. Outdated data can hinder decision-making processes that require real-time or up-to-date information. Lack of standardization. Absence of standardized processes for data collection, storage, and management can result in poor data quality. Data security and privacy concerns. Ensuring data security and compliance with privacy regulations while maintaining data quality adds complexity. Poor data governance. Inadequate policies, procedures, or oversight can lead to poor data quality management practices. Scalability issues. As data volume grows, maintaining consistent quality becomes more challenging without scalable tools and processes. How does Informatica handle data profiling and cleansing? Informatica offers robust capabilities for data profiling and cleansing, which are crucial steps in ensuring data quality and reliability in various data management processes. Here's how Informatica handles these tasks. Data profiling. Analysis of data quality. Informatica allows users to analyze data quality by profiling data sources comprehensively. It examines data completeness, consistency, accuracy, and uniqueness. Metadata management. It captures metadata during the profiling process, providing insights into data structure, relationships, and usage patterns. Rule discovery. Informatica identifies patterns and anomalies within data, helping users discover potential issues or discrepancies. Data cleansing. Standardization. It standardizes data formats and values to ensure consistency across the dataset. Matching and deduplication. Informatica can identify duplicate records and merge them intelligently to maintain data integrity. Error handling. It provides mechanisms to handle data errors and inconsistencies, offering options to correct, remove, or flag problematic data. Integration with data integration workflows. Informatica's data profiling and cleansing functionalities seamlessly integrate with its broader data integration workflows. This integration allows for automated cleansing processes as part of data pipelines. Scalability and performance. Informatica's tools are designed to handle large volumes of data efficiently, ensuring scalability and performance in data profiling and cleansing tasks. Why choose ProExcellency for Informatica Data Quality Online Training? Expertise and experience. Qualified trainers. ProExcellency tends to hire trainers who have extensive experience in Informatica data quality. These trainers often bring practical knowledge gained from working in the field, which enhances the quality of instruction. Real-world insights. With experienced trainers, participants can benefit from learning not only the theoretical aspects of Informatica data quality but also practical insights and best practices that are relevant in real-world data management scenarios. Comprehensive curriculum. Full coverage. The training programs at ProExcellency typically cover all essential aspects of Informatica data quality. This includes data profiling, analyzing data to understand its structure and content, data cleansing, removing or correcting inaccurate data, data standardization, ensuring consistency in data formats, and data monitoring, continuous monitoring of data quality over time. Structured learning path. The curriculum is usually structured to build knowledge progressively, starting from fundamentals to advanced topics. This ensures that participants develop a thorough understanding of the tool and its applications. Flexibility. Online learning platform. ProExcellency's online training allows participants to learn from anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility is especially beneficial for professionals who may have job commitments or geographical constraints that prevent them from attending in-person classes. Self-paced options. Some programs may offer self-paced learning modules, allowing participants to study at their own convenience and pace their learning according to their schedule. Hands-on experience. Practical exercises and hands-on projects are often integral parts of ProExcellency's training approach. These exercises help participants apply theoretical concepts in practical scenarios, reinforcing learning and preparing them for real-world challenges. Case studies and projects. By working on case studies and projects, participants can gain experience in solving data quality issues, implementing data cleansing strategies, and using Informatica data quality effectively in different contexts. Certification preparation. Exam readiness. ProExcellency's training programs may include specific preparation for Informatica data quality certifications. This preparation typically involves covering exam topics, practicing sample questions, and ensuring that participants are well prepared to pass the certification exams. Career advancement. Achieving Informatica certifications through ProExcellency's training can enhance participants' credibility in the job market, opening up opportunities for career advancement and higher-level roles in data management and analytics. Support and resources. Study materials. Participants often receive comprehensive study materials, including textbooks, online resources, and access to the Informatica data quality software, if applicable. These resources support learning and provide additional reference materials. Community and forums. ProExcellency may offer forums or communities where participants can interact with trainers and peers, ask questions, and share experiences. This community support fosters a collaborative learning environment and provides ongoing support even after the training program ends. Thank you.